Lambda function in Python. Lambda function is a tiny function. We discuss it for students, especially kids or junior students. Hello children, welcome to computer class. Lambda function in Python. Sometimes work is small, like adding numbers, subtracting numbers, or doubling a number. This work is very small. It is not need to big function. 2 becomes 4. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 3 plus 3 equals to 4. 4 plus 4 equals to 8. This is a very tiny function. Big work needs big function. Small work needs small function. So, for small works, need not need the big function. It is required very small function. Small work needs small function. It is very easy, but how we can implement it? We can implement it via Lambda function. Small work, one line coding. This is very easy work. For this, we use Lambda function. Lambda means small function. It is a very easy, and we will do it. Lambda equals to small function. Example, lambda x colon x plus x. This is a syntax for lambda function. We will implement it in our coding. Lambda means small function. Bye bye.